This will be one of the most important videos that you're gonna watch this year. What's happening in the market now is absolutely insane. Some call it a silent killer. And if you're not careful, you're gonna have a very rude awakening one day. So what's happening is this. We live in a world where the salary increase is what? 3-4% a year if you're lucky, depending on the job on average. Some of you will get more, some less, of course, but on average. And what we do face is a world where everything is rapidly increasing in cost and your money is becoming worth less and less every single day. Obviously, you have to pay taxes. That's the first thing, depending on where you're from, right? Secondly, the debasement of the currency is losing value each day because the money printers are going hot and they're printing more money every single day. The third thing is that, yeah, the salaries are not really increasing as much as the rest that is happening, but then the last thing is that everything you're seeing around you is also increasing in price at a very rapid pace. Have a look at this. So we have compared the prices from 2020 to 2025. And if you don't do anything about this, you will not be able to have the same lifestyle as you're having now. If we look at the average salary, $32,000 a year, 2025, $37,000 a year, not bad. It's 14 to 15% increase. Inflation has been around 20-25%, which means that your money has actually lost 8 to 10% in buying power during that time. That is just looking at inflation. That's it. Now, what if we add some other thing? The cost increase has been 30 to 40% on average. Some examples. Coffee has increased from $5 to $10. If you buy a package of coffee, there's a 100% price increase over the same time. Chocolate, $2 to $4. That's for a chocolate bar. And I see this. My wife eats these all the time. 100% increase, right? Insane. Eggs, $1.50 per dozen to $3.50. A lot, right? It's absolutely ridiculous. A house has increased 27% in the same time as well. Currently, it's very difficult for the young generations to buy a house or a home because it's so much more expensive. So what are we looking at here? We're looking at a situation in the last 5 years where you have lost roughly 40% of your purchasing power. You have lost 40% of the value of your money. Have your salary increased with 40%? No, it hasn't. 14 to 15%. It's like you're having a bucket. There's holes in the bucket. You put money in and it's going out. Every year, you have less and less in your bank account. The iPhones are going up in price. Everything is going up in price while they keep printing money and you lose money every single year. This is a huge problem. Now, obviously, there is a solution to this. What you could be doing right now is to learn how you can make your money grow more than the average salaries increase of 3% a year. So what if you learn how to grow your money? What if you learn ways where you can multiply your money? While you go to work, you have your money working for you as well. That, my friends, is called trading and investing. If you learn how to do this now, you will completely change the outcome of your financial future.